Hello and welcome to the next section of my iOS 8 mobile app design course. My name is Damon and welcome to the next section where in this first lesson I'm going to talk about how to sell on GraphicRiver. So you want to start making money already, right? Now let's start with some graphic marketplaces, which are one of the easiest way to make money with your new skills, which was developed in this course already. In graphic marketplaces, you can upload your design work and you get about half of the revenue or even more. But it depends on what exactly marketplace you are going to upload and sell your work. And the first marketplace I wanted to mention, and of course the easiest one, it's the biggest graphic marketplace on the internet. You can see how this website looks over here. GraphicRiver.net is a marketplace where you can sell or buy designs like logos, business cards, YouTube banners, Facebook banners, web elements, and so on and so on. But how do you going to earn from it? All right. Well, you can earn money by selling your designs. If you are hard for GraphicRiver, you will earn a lot of money. So you already know how to design a simple or kind of complex actually app design in this course, which was newsreader app. So with your newly created skills, you can go to, for example, web elements and user interfaces, right? And you can see that there are a couple of, actually a lot of items. It's a 1055th user interface in UI elements. So you can see that people are uploading some of their work. For example, this one, modern mobile app UI kit, which is basically the UI kit which was developed probably in Adobe Photoshop. And you can see it has a 13 PSD files, size is Retina for the Retina display. All the layers are grouped and easier to resize. We already learned about this in this course. You can see that this guy uploaded this item for $6. And one thing to mention that GraphicRiver sets the price by themselves. So you are not going to set the price however you want. GraphicRiver sets the price priced on complexity, quality, and use of the file. So the total price also includes a buyer fee. So this guy's got a $6, makes it for $6, and he's already sold 4 of them, and it was uploaded a few days ago. And you can see that he had already made a couple of money. So he's probably going to make not a bad size of money in the end of this month, November. So you can see we can sort by bestsellers, and bestsellers are making huge ton of monies, and you can see that there is nothing really special in there. So you can see that this guy has over 16 full app screens of PSD, and it's an $8, and he already sell 837s of these. So that's actually quite a good amount of money from this simple looking UI design, which you can create by your own in a weeks. It's not really hard to create. You can see that it's kind of a lot of screens, so the user who buys from there, he actually can use it however he wants it. Of course, there is a licenses, extended license, and regular license, so the user can select which license he wants to download it. So, but what is the first thing you want to do when you go to GraphicRiver.net? So you probably want to sign up for GraphicRiver, right? So you just press sign in and go through all the steps on signing in. So I'm going to sign in for GraphicRiver. Then you are going to get a couple of questions, and they ask some questions to test you. It's not really hard, so I mean, that's not really important actually. And when you actually can start and apply your designs in GraphicRiver, and that's it. That's how easy it is to sell on this website. It's really easy, but you actually have to kind of do a lot of work if you want to make thousands of dollars. So you probably want to market those items by yourself a little bit more. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to market and how to promote your designs via GraphicRiver. And I'm going to show you a few tips, really great tips, which most of the popular designers are using right now. And I mean, you can make a lot of money from GraphicRiver, as you can see that